Hey everybody, it's Gary Evans. I have an announcement for you. I've been putting it off, but now's the time. I am done with this real estate thing. Nobody wants to move from Florida to Texas. Nobody wants to move from California to Texas. Houses aren't selling. They sit on the market forever. I am done with it. Ha! April Fool. Don't you hate April Fool jokes? I really do. They really irritate me, and I hope that one irritated you too. Just wanted to reach out to you folks and let you know that our April newsletter, Homeward Bound, it's on its way to you. And yes, we're not stopping. We're putting it back together. So please look for that. It's got some great information there as what's going on in the marketplace, how things are happening. There's a special offer in there for you, so please see that. I want you also to know that we're on our mission to raise $30,000 for Texas Children's Hospital. We do that from the kindness of you folks out there, those who have chose to do business with our company. As you know, when you refer business to us or you close with us, we're going to take part of our commissions we earn and we're going to make a donation to Texas Children's Hospital. So your referrals, your business, it really does help the kids at Texas Children. So look for the newsletter. It's probably attached to this message right here, or it could be lurking in your mailbox. So either one, be sure and look for it. We hope everybody's having a great month, and we're going to talk to you again real soon.